Let's find the x. We can just look at it. We can just say that this is 25 power of half equals to 5. But how to find using method, indices method? So the first thing we have to do is we know that 25 is 5 power of 2. Power of 1 over x equals to 5. And we know at indices we have a power of m, power of n. The product is a m times n. So what we can do here, we can times the 2 and 1 over x. So we get 5, 2 over x equals to 5. And the 5 over here is power of 1. Now we have the same bases. We can remove the bases. And therefore we have 2 over x is equals to 1. In order to remove the x on your left hand side, you times x to your left and x to your right. And therefore you have the value x is equals to 2. It's a short video of mine. See you next time. Bye bye.